my schnockums. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or you are not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. I just need you if you are not subscribed. Welcome back to my channel. This is the look that I created for you today. As you guys know, I'm doing a rainbow series on my channel and my head is very itchy right now. I'm doing a rainbow makeup series on my channel, so every Sunday I am going, well, I posted, this is the last look. I posted a makeup tutorial on my channel from the colors of the rainbow. So it's every single video has a nude lip. I use the exact same nude lip in every single video. Same foundation, everything. It's just the eyes that's switched up and the style. So if you are new to my channel and you did not see that, please go and check those videos out. And obviously stay and watch this video as well. I'm so sorry. Ek is jammer. I apologize. I did not post on Sunday, the previous Sunday, because we were moving finally and our house was a mess. Our house is still a mess, but it's a lot better now, and I did not have Wi-Fi and I didn't have time to go to the freaking coffee shops and upload my videos there. Why am I so itchy? So yes, I'm very sorry, but the video is here now. Next Sunday I am posting a makeup tutorial, a rainbow makeup tutorial. So it's like rainbow name. It's like different colors, so please go and check that out if that is up as well. Please go and check out my Tea Time Tuesday videos. Go and follow all the social media links. And if you want to see how this look is created, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm very sorry for this background, but I'm sitting in my room today. I'm filming in my room because our studio is a bit of a mess. Like, I can't move there or sit there because we moved finally. First, I am going to begin with my Beauty Treats Hot Love palette, and because this is blue, can I just tell you guys what I'm thinking? I'm thinking blue eye, nay, but I think I'm gonna use this blue and that blue. Nay, I don't like blues on my eyes because I really struggle to use it or to make it look pretty. So I'm gonna use those two. I'm gonna blow it out like the yellow look that I did. Insert thumbnail up on the screen. And then I'm gonna take my China palette. I'm gonna add the glitter, but different shades of glitter from light to dark. So that's what I'm going for today. I already did my eyebrows, carved them, everything. So now I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. Okay guys, my brushes are very, very dirty. Like, extremely. I have to wash them after this video. So, don't actually know what brush I'm going to use because my brushes are dirty, as you can see. I think I'm gonna use my Crown blending brush. This one. This is the crease blender. And then I'm gonna use my Carla blender that's also freaking dirty. So I'm thinking first I'm gonna go in with the light blue. I am first tapping on the eyeshadow just to give that pigment payoff that we see in the pan. But guys, this palette, I have a lot of fallout. That's why I'm reversing the steps and I'm doing the eyeshadow first so we can just wipe away the fallout. Otherwise, if you do the foundation first, the fallout's gonna come on your foundation and we don't want that. Can you see how blue my eyes are? It's patchy. So it's like good pigment, and then there's like a patch that's like no pigment, but we're gonna cut it, so it's fine. But can you guys see here? It's like chalk. The pigment just like disappears. So I'm just gonna blend, add until my arm is dead, and then hopefully this works. I hope this looks nice and I don't look like those old ladies that try to do makeup but they actually just add blue eyeshadow and red lips and then it's not even blended. Can you guys see this? This is not looking very good. So I'm quickly just gonna do the other eye off camera so we can spare some time. This took 10 minutes. That is way too long for me. So I'm just quickly gonna do the other eye off camera and then I'll be back with you in a second. Okay guys, this is looking very weird. Now I'm just going to go in with that blue shade. That blue shade. I already applied blue on your eyes, Yuvianca. The dark blue shade, and I'm just gonna pop that on the outer corners of my eyes to give it a bit more depth. You are going to have to blend very high. I'm looking like Avatar. This is not the look I was going for. Guys, I look like Avatar. Okay, well, that's basically that for the eyeshadow. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean my face later. Now I'm gonna cut the crease and I'm gonna add the glitter. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer and this is in the shade Light Ivory. I'm just adding a little bit of that on the back of my hand. Then with my trusty brow bay brush from Switch Beauty, I am just going to cut my crease. So now I'm just going to take a flat brush. So I'm going to use this brush. This is a lip brush. And I'm going to use my trusty old China palette and I'm going to go from light to dark. So as you guys can see here, there is a lot of blue shades. So I'm going to go from light to dark. So I'm thinking for the light shade, I think I'm gonna use this one, the shade. So I'm gonna start with this shade, then I'm gonna go in with this shade, gonna add the one next to it, and then I'm gonna end with this like blue shade. It's not like that visible, the fade, but it looks good. So I'm quickly gonna cut the other eye as well and do the glitter with that. Okay, eyeshadow is done except for the lower lash line. So I'm just quickly gonna save you guys a whole lot of time there. So basically I just wiped away the fallout. I wiped it up so it's in a nice little, you know, shapey, and I applied foundation, concealer and powder. So now I'm gonna finish up my eyes. I'm gonna use a flat, it's like a flat brush, and I'm gonna use the Beauty Treats palette again, but now I'm gonna use the dark blue shade and I'm gonna add it under my waterline. Now I'm just adding some of that light blue on top of that. Okay, now basically just need to blend it out. So I'm gonna use this flat brush and I'm just very lightly on the edges just going to blend that out so there's not a very harsh line there. So now it's time for lashes and mascara. So today I am going to apply the Lash Boutique lashes that I used in my, I think it was the yellow eye look, but I struggled a lot, so I just used the normal Allure texture lashes. But now I'm gonna try it again. So firstly I am going to curl my lashes, and then I am going to apply the lashes with my tweezer, if I can just find the thing. You know what I hate is when you freaking put on your lashes and the glue, like the lash glue, is still on the lash, on the tweezers, and then it's all sticky and gross. Freaking hate that because it always sticks. You know what? Never mind, I'm not gonna apply lashes today because I'm gonna freaking lose my mind with this lashes. I applied this lashes probably for half an hour now, and no, not gonna do it. Eyelash Boutique's lashes is shit. It's fake. That's what it is. Fake lashes, and I'm not gonna do it. Not applying any lashes today. Just gonna add some mascara. So now I already curled my lashes. So now I am just going to apply some mascara. Now I have the Lash Princess mascara, but this is not the green one, it's the purple one. This is the Sculpted Volume mascara, so I'm going to use this one today. I've never used it. They didn't have the green one, so I decided I'll just try the purple one, because who does not want volumized lashes? Am I right? Right now my freaking eyelashes is stuck together. So basically I'm just going to apply as much mascara as I can so my lashes does look fake. Those Lash Boutique lashes, I don't like those lashes. It's fake. Obviously fake lashes, it's fake lashes, but it's like plastic. I don't like it. I'm not gonna use the, sorry, not gonna use it. Then I got this drugstore. This is from Design Lash Curling Mascara. Try this as well. It was super cheap. I'm just gonna try this, see how it works. It's got a nice wand. I'm sorry guys, this frustrates me now, because this look would have looked so pretty with false lashes, and I'm not gonna add another bunch of false lashes. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna do that. So now, obviously I just added foundation, so now I am going to apply some bronzer. And then my freaking thing broke. Are you freaking kidding me? What's happening to me today? This is freaking... I'm gonna apply it with this brush. So we want a nice sun-kissed bronzy look, so I'm just going to town with this bronzer. Now I'm going to apply highlight. This is the Glowgasm palette. So I am going to apply that shade, and I'm still gonna apply it with this brush. This is actually a defined crease blending brush. A deluxe contouring brush. But you know what? I don't care today. I can't worry. Oh, guys. This is a great highlighter, and the best thing about this, it's South African based. So not only are you getting a bomb highlighter, but you're also supporting your country. This is hashtag not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me, they can. Hulle kan met die grootste liefde. And these highlighters are so blinding, guys. They've not used this as often, but now I remember the glow. So I'm definitely gonna use this much more often. You guys see that? Can you see the reflection of your future in that highlight? Can you just, this Cupid's bow, we have to make this Cupid's bow glow, baby. Oh, and the brow bone. I always forget about the freaking brow bone. Obviously, can't forget about our inner corner highlights. This makeup look looks a lot better now that I actually have foundation on. Otherwise it looks a little bit weird. So now I'm just quickly gonna add my lippy. I'm using the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss in the shade Fleur. So I'm quickly gonna add this with my Essence in the Nude Lip Liner, and I'll be back right now. Okay, I'm back. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, please remember to give this a like. Smash that like button, honey, please. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be a part of the Sheryl community. It's a wild ride, but you know what? It's a fun one. Remember to go and subscribe to my combined channel, Yuvianca, my sister's channel, Angelica. Go and follow all my social media links. It will be up in the screen. Add me on Facebook. You can add me on Snapchat. You can go and follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well. And go and check out my rainbow series that I do on this channel. And go and check out my previous Tea Time Tuesday video and the Tea Time Tuesday video that's going to be up this Tuesday. It's about my new house. So if you are curious on how my house looked and how my house look now, then please go and watch it. All the products that I used will be in the description box down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you back again in my next video. Bye.